Namaste. How does our mind operate? What influences the mind? Which of these factors are in our control? What is Manipur Chakra and how does that come into picture? In this video, I present a concise and loose translation of a lecture by a neuroscientist, Dr. Chandra Shekhar Mayanil. This is a relatively new area of research. Our understanding of it is limited. Let us look at the modern findings and also what an Indian traditional knowledge stream has to offer. Here is how our nervous system takes shape. Early in the formation of an embryo, three germ layers form. The first two lead to digestive system, lungs, muscles, and so on. And the third leads to the formation of the skin and the nervous system. The material in the third layer winds to form a tube. One end of the tube develops into brain and the other into spinal cord. Two neural crusts outside the neural tube form the peripheral nervous system that spans the entire body. This vast neural network runs our mind and intellect. Bunch of neurons form ganglions and bunch of ganglions form plexuses. A plexus is like a large railway junction through which a body of nerve fibres passes and intermingles. Classical anatomy recognizes five major nerve plexuses that arise from spinal nerves. Interestingly, a school of Indian tantric literature also describes chakras within the human body. A chakra can loosely be described as a hub or a center of operations. Shat Chakra Nirupana is a compendium that identifies 7 such chakras. Manipur Chakra is one of them. It resides near the navel. It is said to govern digestion and emotional stability. A somewhat similar picture has emerged from the research of last 10-15 years. It is called the gut-brain axis. Our gastrointestinal tract produces certain neurotransmitters that trigger our brain through the vagus nerve. Brain also produces the same chemicals. The gut, however, does not have the ability to doubt. Perhaps this is what manifests as emotions. Substance P that signals pain, serotonin that promotes feelings of well-being and happiness, or motilin that triggers internal clearing of intestines are some examples of such neurotransmitters. Inability to produce certain chemicals in the gut can lead to serious disease. We now know that Parkinson's disease, in which a person's limbs shake uncontrollably, is one example of gut malfunction rather than of a brain malfunction. Obesity, diabetes, and some mental diseases can similarly be traced to a gut malfunction. The concept of Manipur Chakra seems to capture this connection in an all-inclusive fashion. It imagines food, digestion, and emotions as linked to one another and encourages us to think in a holistic manner. Dr. Smita Kulkarni says Ayurveda identifies 13 types of fire that digest and assimilate food. They keep our immune system in fine fettle. Focusing on Manipur Chakra is essential to keep these systems healthy. How can we use this knowledge to our benefit? The food industry is already capitalizing on the desire to promote gut health by marketing pre, pro, and postbiotic packaged products. But it is much better to focus on what one can do without external input. Merely ordering nutritious food through Uber Eats or taking protein powders or vitamin supplements will not deliver good gut health all by itself. One must address the entire operation and environment of the gut. How do yoga or kundalini, the energy associated with the chakras, guide us here? They suggest that we can improve digestion by doing stomach exercises, by focusing attention on the Manipur Chakra and the processes it governs, by regulating breath, by relaxing body and meditating. That will promote the stability of mind and lead to good emotional health. Let us hope that this slightly offbeat fusion of the modern and the traditional will help you understand the gut brain axis better and maintain good health or work towards it. Link to Dr. Mayanil's book is given in the description below. I'll stop this video here. Thanks for joining.